Are you ready to enhance your viewing experience with IPTV playlists? First, let's talk about choosing the right provider. Check out 2TV Store, the best IPTV provider for access to 30,000 plus live channels and over 130,000 VOD options. Next, determine your budget. Many subscriptions offer plans ranging from $10 to $50 monthly. Look for features like instant delivery and 24/7 support. Once you have a provider in mind, it's essential to research user reviews. This will help you avoid scams and find reliable services. Also, consider platforms like Fire Stick or smart TVs for easy installation.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, red face flame by the light. I'm going away.
After subscribing, remember to test the service during the free trial period if available. Finally, keep an eye on ongoing promotions and discounts for the best deals. With the right approach, buying the perfect IPTV playlist is just a few clicks away. Visit 2TV Store to get started today.